This is a shorter version of our original video titled Visual Phonics for Families Sound Groups. This video is going to focus on tongue tapping sounds. Now remember, tongue tapping sounds are made by lifting the tip of the tongue and tapping it to the roof of the mouth right behind the top teeth. This group includes D, T, and N. And here's a picture that shows what the visual phonics symbols look like. Just to remind you, the symbols are there to remind you what the prompts are. Now that we know what the visual phonics symbols look like, here are each of the individual sound visual phonics gestures or prompts.
D, D, T, T, and N.
And now that you remember each of the prompts and what they look like, here are examples of each of the sounds. And each of the sounds will have the sound in the beginning, the end, and sometimes they'll also be in the middle.
The first sound is D. D, D. It could also be helpful to tap on a surface while saying this sound. Dog, dog. Sad, sad. Mad, mad. Ready, ready. Under, under. The next sound is the T. T, t. Tape, tape. Out, out. The final sound is N. N, n. Nose, nose. In, and moon, moon.
Now that we've gone over all the individual tongue tapping sounds, we are going to have some combination ones where there's more than one tongue tapping sound in each word. And this is just a way to practice multiple of the tongue tapping sounds in one group. And you can use this if you want to challenge your child or however you think is best.